Hey, yes, it's nighttime where I am. It's nighttime where I am. I'm preparing myself for bed, and today I did a wash and go. So now I am going to show you how I preserve my wash and go. And this is what I do. Well, this is what I do to try to make my wash and goes last at least 3 or 4 days if I can. Stretch it, you know. If I do it right every single night and do it by law like I'm supposed to, it will last. You see what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying. You'll see what I'm saying. Get what I'm saying? Okay, enough of that. Here we go. So I will take my Pantene Gold Series buttercream. I'll squeeze a little bit of that in my hand. And my 8 Essential or hair oil. And I will put that in my hand with the cream. I'll mix it up like this. I'll mix it up like that. Hey, okay. Mix it up real good in the palm of my hand. Then I rub them together. Flip my hair over. Like this. Bring it up. Like this. And hold on, I gotta get my little scrunchie. I have a scrunchie like this. Or not a scrunchie, it's like a cloth band, ponytail holder, band, scrunchie, whatever, you know, hold my hair up. And I will put this around my hair. Just like that. See? Only need to do it one time. I like these kind because you don't have to wrap it twice. And as you can see, it's basically a pineapple. Basically similar to the pineapple method is what they call it. The pineapple method. And I'll take my scarf. I have a big scarf like this. You can use whatever scarf you want to of your choice. And I'll fold it like in a triangle. And the pointed end of my scarf, I'm gonna let it drape a little bit, how I do it, and I'm gonna wrap it around here, pull that hair up in the front, tie a knot right there, like so. Tight. And I'm gonna wrap this around here, and I'm gonna tie it in the back tight like that. Tie it like that, in the back like that. Okay, take these little ends because I don't like them up against my neck, my back, my neck, or my back. Irritating me. And tuck it like so. And my ends right there, you can leave it hanging out if you want to. Not me. I'm gonna tuck that up in there, baby. Tuck it up. Tuck it up. I said I'm gonna tuck it up. Like that. Make sure it's all tucked in. And I am going to take this thing here, the end, not the thing here, the end of the scar tail. Oh, that's coming out. Like that. And this is the finishing look to preserve my wash and go at night. So this is what I'll do for a few days until that hair start getting old. Then I gotta switch it up. Switch it up. I gotta switch. Switch it up. Ayy, I gotta switch. Switch it up. Ayy, I gotta switch. Switch it up. I'm being silly. Anyway, that's all for now. Hope this helps you out on how to reserve your wash and go. So till next time, peace. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Click that bell for future videos. Subscribe to my channel, please. Hey, I got more to show you. I got more to give you, more to offer.